Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your image optimization with TinyPNG, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to your web browser. In the search bar, type TinyPNG and press enter. Click on the official TinyPNG website link. Once the page loads, you'll see a simple and user-friendly interface. Locate the area where you can drag and drop your images. You can upload both PNG and JPEG files. To upload an image, either drag it into the designated area or click to browse your files. Select the images you want to optimize from your computer. After uploading, TinyPNG will automatically start compressing your images. You will see a progress bar indicating the optimization process. Once completed, your optimized images will appear below. Each image will show its original size and the size after compression. You can download individual images by clicking the download button next to each one. If you have multiple images, click the download all button to save them in a zip file. After downloading, navigate to the folder where you saved the files. You can now use these optimized images on your website or project. This will lead to faster loading times and better performance. Keep TinyPNG in mind for future image optimization needs. Repeat this process whenever you need to compress new images. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.